Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. Today I want to share with you a very simple recipe. We're gonna do a bath salt, relaxing, calming bath salt. So what we're gonna need is, I have a little container here. I have my sea salt here. I have about 1 pint of the sea salt, because I actually have a big bottle where I'm gonna transfer all my salt here. So I have a 1 pint of the sea salt. Then I have some of the Himalayan salt. I'm putting this just for color when I'm gonna mix it all together. So, and then I have some of the Epsom salt. Epsom salt I'm using as it helps to relax your muscles and stiff joints. So it's very good if you have a hard day at work or after the really bad training, or you have a stiff muscles. It's really good relaxing your skin and your whole body. So I tried to mix it all together. It's very few simple ingredients, you don't need much here. Okay, and I will add the rest of the sea salt. As well to this, I'm gonna add some dried lavender. So guys, in here I have dried lavenders, 2 of them, as you see, okay? So this one, I bought it from the company, which I'm not gonna name it, I bought it. And this one, I have done it myself. I harvested the lavender plant myself. I did it 2 months ago. And it smells amazing. And as you see, the color, it's really deep purple color. And this one, it's actually, it smells nothing like lavender. And the color is just gone. I don't know for how long it has been. But guys, just one tip, dry your own herbs. If you don't have herbs, buy a little plant of lavender, rosemary, or any other herbs which you like to dry, and just harvest it yourself and dry it yourself, because you don't know what are you buying in actually from dried herbs, because these really look bad. So, but anyways, I'm just gonna add them all together and just gonna mix it in. Just for a bit of color. And to this, I'm just gonna add some Lavender Essential Oil as well, of course. Because lavender, I just love lavender, and especially this bath salt, it's for your bedtime, to relax your muscles, which is Epsom Salt is gonna do this job for you, and to relax you mentally with the Lavender Essential Oil, and of course the dried lavenders. I'm trying to mix it as much as possible. Okay, I might will add another few drops of lavender essential oil, and I think we'll be good to go. Okay, and just mix it all through together and just add into your chosen bottle. Okay, so that's it. That's your relaxing bath salt. So yeah, use it in evenings before you go to bed, and yeah, hope you enjoy this and give it a try. I will see you next time. Bye.